that? And look how much oil. Oh my gosh. Single top mount turbo this car. Oh my god. So in this box we got carbon fiber parts, including a carbon fiber diffuser that I thought fit my regular E92 rear bumper. Stop talking. Here we got the M Sport / M Spec bumper, and you can see it is basically the same, except you have this huge cutout right here for the diffuser. The stock one doesn't have that, which sucks. So sick. This is an M-Tech carbon fiber diffuser. Look how insane. Damn, it's cracked. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I literally don't have any luck whatsoever. That's cracked. Woo. Here we have an insane wing, because just like that. Yo. That looks so sick. I'm probably gonna message him back about the diffuser, see if I can get some of my money back or something like that, because it is not new, it is cracked, and that is very flimsy. Okay, I think this is the best spoiler you can get for this car. It is so clean. The fitment is literally perfect. I don't see any imperfections. You know how sometimes it fits weird, like there's a gap, there's 0 gaps. Very nice and flush, very nice. Just the shape of it, it's got like that like V in the middle. Should be able to, ooh. I've never seen a bumper have so many bolts and crap. It's ridiculous. And if anybody does want a 335i rear bumper, let me know. This one's wrapped in satin pearl white. We also did go ahead and fix all the imperfections with Lucas. Shout out to him. He's always helping me out. Huge blessing. This rear end goes crazy now. I'm not gonna lie, you guys were right. You guys were absolutely right. Look how good that looks. That's crazy. Just a completely different car from the rear now. Time for the performance. Let's get it. We got a lot to do. Even though throughout the series we were able to absolutely transform this car from how it was back then to how it is now, which is literally my dream BMW. Satin pearl white, black wheels, really clean headlights, carbon fiber pieces, the whole new body kit. Absolute beauty of a car. We really can't forget about what the wifey said.
Was that it? Is that all you got? I was expecting more, honestly.
This car's fast.
For all the time you spend on this car, I thought so much more was gonna happen there.
So you're saying this car's slow?
Yes. Slower than a Mustang.
Did you really think I was gonna take that much disrespect from you and not do something about it? Well, in front of me we have the parts that we need to make this car extremely fast in this one video.
I'll believe it when I see it.
You'll believe it when you see. All right, well.
We got intercoolers. Spoilie.
What's this?
The mechanical lock system. This is a oil filter. Oil filter.
Whew. All right, let's get to work. We got a lot to do. First things first, we do have to go ahead and start taking apart everything. Coolant reservoir, because we have to relocate it. Stock charge pipe, both stock inlets, stock intercooler, vacuum canisters, pretty much everything. Woo, look how good that VRSF charge pipe looks. Sheesh. You know, last time it was fuel. This one is not as bad, but it's still bad. Of course, I had to do that. I'm just a dude being a guy. What can I say? Well, now we have to go ahead and disconnect the dump pipes. Okay, we got it. I'm not gonna lie, working on this car a lot has made me a lot more confident, and I'm able to take out dump pipes extremely quick. Basically took everything apart already. So now it's pretty much time to take out the stock inlets and time to put the new ones in. But so the main reason why we do have to take out the down pipes is because we have a lot more space. As you can see right there, that's where the rear turbo is. Okay, I'm really stupid. That is the front turbo. Obviously back here we got the rear turbo, and right there is a stock inlet. So we got to take that plastic piping out. So this whole time I'm not even making boost. Look at that. And look how much oil. Oh my gosh. Your boy needs new turbos. Proposition. If you're watching this far into the video, comment below triple turbo that car. That makes no sense. But comment triple turbo that car. And if this video gets 3,000 likes, I will single top mount turbo this car. I'll do it for the culture. I'll do it for the content. Comment below triple turbo that car. And if this video gets 3,000 likes before the next video comes out, I will spend money and I will single turbo this. I'll get a daily for the daily. Message Speed Tech on Instagram and say, send Danny Z a turbo. Just do it. That'll be hilarious. I love you guys. But huge thank you to VRSF, because without them, we would not have any of these go fast parts that we're about to put on the car, and I'm just so excited. Also mentioned, I will leave the link to all these parts that I'm using in the description. Again, huge shout out to VRSF. Let's get to taking out the inlets. That's gonna suck. How did these go tightened? I mean, it's just sliding off. I'm honestly not even sure if that's supposed to be like that. Ah, shoot, the hose. Let's go. Okay, now I can get it out. Look at this thing. It's the weirdest thing ever. Thank you. Okay. But of course, if anybody does want to buy a stock. Wait, look how cute and small a little turbo is. Who's the little good boy? Remember, if you guys want to see a bigger turbo and this lamp on my head again, leave it like 3K likes. This is definitely no DIY, but I do want to show you guys. So we're doing the front inlet right now. It is big. All right, so you can see inlets coming out of there. Looks pretty good. Now the rear turbo inlet was a pain. Main reason is it makes a 90-degree turn into the turbo, and you have to go ahead and cut that 90-degree turn for you to be able to pull it up from the engine bay. This is honestly the happiest day in my life. Last time I felt this much happiness from an achievement is when I dropped my first ever nuke in Modern Warfare 2. Yes, I'll never forget that day. I'll never forget that day. I was actually a squeaker back in the day, and it was incredible.
Hey guys, so I'm Darning 2 here with my first commentary, on YouTube.
1 being easy, 10 being difficult. I'm gonna give it a 7. You know, emotionally, it was a 10. Physically, it was like a 4. Work-wise, it was an 8. I think that averages up to a 7. Is it as hard as people say? Definitely not. I mean, you just need time. You also got to cut the 90. All right, let me try to show you guys the situation. That's what we're trying to do right now. And so far, some of it is in and half of it is not. It'd be great if there was someone down here guiding the tube to go in and then me from the top pushing, but rocking solo. So I was told the hardest part of this whole thing was taking out the rear inlet. Good? You know how hard it's been to put on the new inlet in the back? So we took a little break, started setting up the charge pipe. We are using a towel blow-off valve, which is gonna sound incredible. It's pretty easy to put on, not very hard. And we do have to relocate the power steering reservoir because the coolant reservoir is gonna be sitting in that spot. That looks good. So that's the rear inlet. Obviously the one in the front's pretty easy. I'm gonna do it after, but yeah, I'm about to throw this car in the ditch, yeah. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. So it turns out the fat media intercooler that I showed you is not a 5-inch intercooler. It is a 7.5-inch, which makes a lot of sense as to why I've been trying to fit it for the last like hour and a half. I've been trying to put it on here. It does not fit at all. Either way though, I wasted a lot of time. I'm just gonna cut this whole, I don't even care what needs to be here, what doesn't need to be here. I'm cutting everything I see. Did I cut a little too much? Possibly. Do I care? At this point, not really. We did go ahead and add a catch can. Remember, this motor has 155,000 miles. The blow-by is probably horrendous. And we also went ahead and completely deleted the canisters instead of relocating them. And I just ran the vacuum lines directly to the solenoids. Let me know if that's okay. Have any of you done that? Let me know. Look at this whole mess that's around me, but okay, I don't even know what day it is, but I have to finish today. And of course, it's a regular day. Akita's a little tanning while I'm over here working. Oh my God. Fam, I've done motor swaps and this felt like it took forever. This is a lot of work, a lot of looking up, figuring out, learning, such a big learning curve, especially me. This is the first time I ever actually modified a BMW. I've never actually modified a BMW other than exhaust. What a journey it's been. Oh my gosh. But okay, we have one last thing to do. We gotta go ahead and flash the MHD. Huge thank you to MHD for being another sponsor of this video. VRSF sent the parts. MHD is taking care of the tuning. I could not be more thankful. But MHD app, obviously you can do flash an MHD map, which is what I'm gonna do. Another really awesome thing is you do not need a cable anymore. You can connect to the MHD through Wi-Fi, and then you do not need a cable. So that's awesome. Alright, so the map is on the car. Now is the exciting part. We need some burbles. We need out pops. I'm hyped. Let's go. Alright, so here you can pretty much go into like exhaust burble and it tells you everything. Duration. Definitely want a hard aggressiveness. Alright, I'm gonna set this up. First start, baby. First starts. First time with BMW pops. I'm finally gonna have BMW pops. Oh my goodness. This is like a dream come true. Oh my God. Did y'all hear that? What the fuck? Oh my God. Yo! That's so quick! Listen to this. Nah. I need a moment. I need a moment. This is crazy. That's crazy. What's up, baby girl?
Hi.
So we know what you said about this car last time.
Low.
Now we're on stage 2 plus.
Really? What?
So you know, I'm a changed man. It's a changed car.
Is that okay?
That's a turbos.
Wow, that's
I got pops.
so good.
Stage 2 plus.
That's so cool. You're gonna be filling up twice a week. I've never heard that sound in person.
Is it faster than before?
So
Way
much
faster. You have to tell him, do you approve the car now? What do you think now?
I approve.
That feels pretty good. Yeah, it feels good, dude. There you go. Oh, that's sick. That's a win, baby! The supercar destroyer has indeed slayed its first supercar.
Dude, you gapped me! That thing's insane!
Alright, listen, no one's gonna see this. I need you to let me win, alright?
I thought your videos were like real.
No, I don't need anyone to know about this. Just
Okay.
let me win. I'll give you like $1 after. You know, everything's good.
Okay.
Just, when we start, just when I like make it real, like I'll go forward, you come forward, and we'll just
Okay.
win at the end, alright?
Okay, yeah, sounds good.
Real race.
Alright, we'll give you the hint, so when you floor it, he'll floor it.
Okay.
That wasn't even that bad. You kept up.
Dude, that was close.
I got BMW pops. Oh, I love this car. Seabass, I got a check engine light, like the big one. Wait, hold on. Exhaust vanos. Boost pressure control deactivation. What does that mean?
What are you trying to figure out?
We're going backwards now.
Bro, honestly, that's the whip.
That's it.
That's the whip. Okay, hold on.